Hey you guys, it is Monday evening. It's Memorial Day evening. Real quick update because I'm getting ready to head to the lake for a couple of days. We're going to be in the RV, take the dogs, get away from the shop, and have a good time fishing and hiking and doing all the natural stuff that I love to do that I never seem to have enough time to do. So real quick, just to kind of give you an idea, a sneak peek of what's going to be happening this coming weekend out of Jekyll Baits. I have got a new pumpkins, new to me, pumpkin seed pattern. This is the Seedy Suspect, and I don't think the camera is going to do justice today because this is still clearing. We're not going to touch these a whole lot, but it's on a foiled 2.5. It's also going to be coming out in a 1.5 and an S-crank foiled. I really would prefer to keep these on a foiled bait for the reflective properties, but just a super cool pumpkin seed pattern. Real happy with how that turned out. We've got some crappie. We've got, let's see, we've got another molten lava here. This is the Red Crush. It's got those walleye eyes. And again, we're not going to move these around a whole lot because they are setting and drying. Did a little post earlier today. This is one of those unintended textural type deals. It was real humid in the shop, and what happened was, for some reason, the paint kind of stuck funky to the mesh that I was using, but it came out pretty cool. Kind of like the way that it showed up. And it's going to require a second coat, so this is going to harden, and then we're going to shoot it again tomorrow with a second coat of clear. The other one that I did at the same time didn't have the same issues. Also in a crawl on a Little John. But again, both of these baits are going to get 2 coats of KBS. Gotta be KBS. Real quick, getting away from there, going over to the finishing desk. We're about halfway through. I think I showed some of this stuff off to you guys on Sunday's video. And again, the only reason I'm doing this early is because I'm going to be out of town for the next couple of days and don't want to miss the opportunity to show you guys what's going on in the shop. You guys have already seen these 4. This is the Wild Perch, and above that we have the Whitney Point pattern and a crappie pattern. We also have that Winter Gill in an S, the Blue Ice Craw right there. Don't have a name for these purple plum fades, and you'll have to excuse the paint on my hands. It's always there. Actually, it's not too bad. It's just kind of under my nails tonight. It's got those glow reflective walleye eyes, and then these are super cool. These are storms. Kind of looks like lightning. It's got a UV base glow, so it's going to glow in the dark underwater. Super cool for a night bait. Also stained water. I like them. That is the Storm. I think you guys may have seen this. This is a table rock. This is a Lake Charles, but not the shad. Does not have the shad dot. Another molten. This is the Sunrise series in the sunfish. A lot of sunfish. You're going to see me do more sunfish during the spring and summer than any other time during the year. Around the country, they just, they're sitting on the beds. They're all over the place. Obviously, a crappie pattern right there. Underneath that, you guys have already seen the pickerel. That is a wake bait and green sunfish. And I think we are through everything that needs to be shown today. This batch of Duo 100 SPs, I think. Yeah, they only have two hooks. Are getting VMC hooks on them. So that's what we're doing. I will see you guys. I'm going to be GoProing out there on the lake, going to Norfolk. Oh, almost forgot. Real happy with how this guy came out. These are those dinger pressed pre-Rapala style wiggle warts. Very nice. Love the way these molds came out from Brian over at Dinger. Big fan of his stuff. So, right on. You guys have a great one. Happy casting, and we will see you soon.